So we have Toyota with MMT gearbox, and now I will show you how to fast initialize of the MMT ECU to learn and clean all values, and will okay. What we need? If your car not driving good or something, or you has removed the clutch, after you need to initialize MMT ECU actuator. And now I will show you how to initialize ECU, because it's you need to clear all old values. Okay, what we need to do? We need connector. That's all. So on neutral position, switch is off. Connect the connector. Wait for 10 seconds. Turn on the switch. You can see most of lamp is flashing. Is good. We enter in learning mode. Now we need to pump the brake pedal 7 times fast. The buzzer sound twice. It's good. Now we going to E, M, minus, 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 E, neutral. Now depress the brake pedal and hold it down. Keep the brake pedal held down. Now pump the brake pedal 3 times. Buzzer sound twice. Okay. Now turn off the switch. Wait for 10 seconds. Disconnect the connector and turn on the switch. Okay, it's learned, but it's not all. Now turn off the switch. Wait for 10 seconds. After, we need to start the engine with brake pedal on neutral and wait. Then neutral lamp is flashing and stop flashing. That's all. Okay, let's see. Turn on the switch. We have neutral illuminate. Now we start the engine. Neutral is flashing. Stop. That's all. It's learned all. Now we can go in. Reverse. First. Second, reverse. We can try to drive. It going. Wow. It's little drive.